Now we will start the demo. You have to go to idbidirect.in. Once you click on idbidirect.in, this is the home page you will be able to see. And now since we want to see the trading demo, so we will go to trade now. In trade now, since I'm using this PC for my regular this thing, so my login name is already there. Otherwise, those who are not using their login name, they will get this kind of when they first log in. If you don't have your user ID password, you can generate by clicking generate password link. There are two ways to generate your password. Number one, through the OTP, that is mobile OTP. For that, your mobile number should have been registered with us. And other ways to generate through email, wherein you will get your password in email. Since I have my login ID with me, so I'm putting my login ID. Is not case sensitive. System will automatically make in capitals. Here I have to put my password. So and I have to put my date of birth. It is in the form of DDMMYYYY. Okay. And I have to say login. Once I'll say login, system will take me through this page, and the web you can see this trade.idbycapital.com. So this is what my screen looks like. Then first of all, I'll tell you this screen we will see in three different parts. Number one, this portion. That is this is one portion. This is actually a trading window. Okay. And this this 1/3 of below portion you can see. This is informations. I'll explain each part of the screen. We'll go from this upper left side. So Sensex, this is current Sensex going on. Then this is Nifty currently going on. Here you can see USD INR and Euro INR rate. Then this is my trading limit. So what I have in my trading account. This is my link saving banks account. If I have multiple saving banks account linked to my trading account, I can drop it down and I can see from which bank account I can pull up funds for trading. But whenever I'll sell, in that case, whatever is my primary account, there I'll get a credit. Okay. To see the balance in my saving banks account, I have to say get balance. Once I'll say get balance, you'll be able to see the balance, whatever lying in your saving banks account here. It is showing you the date and time also. Whatever balance is there on this date and this time in your saving banks account. So this is my trade code, that is 10-digit trade code, which is unique. Then this theme I can change. Now it is gray. So what do you mean by gray? So if you see this screen, whole screen, it is like a gray and black, but certain people don't like it. So you can convert it into or divert it into blue. I normally put it blue so that it is bright and energetic. That is what my personal feeling. Same way, this is the button for logout. If you want to log out, you have to click here. And this is my name. This is my last login time. So when I logged into this account last, then I'll be able to see here. So this portion we have cleared till now. Now we will come to the bottom part of it. Okay. So this is the stock idea. So whatever research reports and all research team sends to us through on our registered email ID and all, that you can see from here. If you click more reports, it will take me to the page, web page, wherein I'll get different kinds of reports. Okay. Now we will not go there because that is not our intention for this demo. Now this window will tell you about the gainers, top gainers or top losers. This is NSE. So NSE's top gainers right now, who all are there? They are showing here. Same way you can see the losers also, who all are losers, and the percentage of from yesterday's close. Okay. Here you can see the chart. See, suppose on NSE, I want to see Infosys. Okay, so I'm selecting Infi. So here I can see the chart. This is a line chart, but I'll have a fair idea how it's moving, and accordingly I can see. This is a quick kind of this thing, chart. Then major indices you can see from here. What is Nifty Bank going on? What is Nifty IT going on? And mid cap or next 50, like that you can see. Same way, you can see our intraday calls. Whatever calls is flashed for intraday trading or information, that will be seen over here. Okay. So those who wants to be an intraday trader, they can they have to have watch on this intraday call screen, so they will get a immediate updates whatever my research team is flashing. So this is what the basics about the information. Now we will come to the actual trading window. So this portion is bit critical, and how we will see that I'll tell you. We have different products, okay, and we will go through the demo, and accordingly, in whenever we are going through the demo, we will see the product details also. Okay, so that is better. That is what I can say. So this is the basic window wherein I can see the stocks prices, live prices, what is going on. So coming to a particular stock, see, I'll delete few stocks. So I want to delete Reliance. Okay, what we will do, we will delete few and then we will add certain stocks so that you will be able to see how to. So I am deleting few more. Okay. Now I want to add, say, suppose Infosys. So I'll have to say add security. So this is add security window. I want to see NSE's price of equity segment and Infosys. So I'm selecting Infosys and say add. So here change or save to watchlist default. Okay, I want this changes, whatever I'm doing has to be saved. So I'm saying okay. So whenever next time I'll log in, I'll see this window. Before that, I missed one part that I want to tell you. Okay, many clients has they don't know for what all products they have assigned to or they have accesses for. So here there is a my privilege tab. If you click on this, you will be able to see uh, in my account what all products is available. I can trade in BSE, allowed. I can trade in NSE, it is allowed. I can trade in NSE derivatives, allowed. BSE star MF, this is a mutual fund segment. BSE star MF is also allowed. So those clients who don't have BSE star MF, I will request them to go for BSE star MF registration. That we will have a different video for that. But then it is important to have BSE star MF, because in BSE star MF we have almost all kind of equity schemes of almost all AMCs. So there will not be a scenario wherein a particular mutual fund you want to buy with particular scheme, and we are not providing that. That possibility is very rare in that case. So I'm requesting you to have registered yourself for BSE star MF. Okay. Now coming to this part, because just that clicked in my mind, so I want to explain you from where I can see my privileges. Okay. So this is what Infi I have added. Now suppose I want to buy, so there's a buy green plus button is there. If I want to sell, I can sell from here. So I am saying buy, and now our actual demo will start, because this window will tell you different products, and I'll explain you each product in detail along with the this screen. See, this is equity. I want to buy. Yes, I am selecting buy. Here I can change buy or sell also. Since it is a buy, it is showing me a blue kind of screen. The moment I'll say and I'll select sell, it will be like a bit of red kind of screen. Okay. So I am saying buy, and now coming to the products. See, currently it is showing cash. Cash means if you have say 100 rupees, you can buy worth 100 rupees stock, and that will be delivered to your demat account on T+2 settlement. In India, we have a settlement of T+2. So whenever you are buying, you have to pay full 100% money, and the stock will be credited to your demat account on T+2 basis. Then we have a product called e-margin. So what is e-margin? For that, we will go to e-margin product details. So I have kept one product e-margin. Okay. So before it gets opened, I just want to tell you, in IDBI Capital, there are two sets of clients. Those who have opted for MTF, that is margin trading and funding. Okay. Clients, those who are opted for MTF, they will get this product in different fashion. And those clients who is not opted for MTF, they will be having different features of this product. Now, first we will see non-active MTF clients. That means I am a client of IDBI Capital, but I don't have MTF as a facility. Now, what will happen into this? Slowly, I am taking this downside. You can read it whenever you have a time. But in nutshell, I'll tell you what is the feature of this for non-active MTF clients. In e-margin, you can buy for T+7. That means you can buy a stock and hold it in delivery or delivery stock for 7 days. It will not come into your demat account since you are not paying 100% of the money. Okay. The advantage of the e-margin is that you need not to pay me 100% of the money like cash trade. It is like certain percentage of money you have to pay me, and against that IDBI Capital will give you an exposure to trade into e-margin, okay, or a delivery trade. So what will happen? You can buy, say, suppose I am a client, I can buy 100 rupees ka stock by paying say 25 rupees. And that stock I can keep in e-margin till 7th day, T+7th day. Before that, if I want to sell, I can sell. Or if I want to take it into my demat account, I have to transfer my balance 75 rupees. So there will not be an obligation. And I can transfer that stock into my demat account. And for this facility, IDBI Capital will charge me 0.06% per day on daily outstanding amount. That means if today I bought say 100 rupees stock by paying 25 rupees, so on balance 75 rupees, IDBI Capital will charge me 0.06%. Number one. Number two, suppose I transferred another 25 rupees on the next day, then my obligation is only 50 rupees. So IDBI Capital will charge me interest, that is 0.06%, only on the balance outstanding, that is 50 rupees. Like that, it will continue. Now, as a risk management parameter, if your mark to market becomes say 60-70% down, then RMS has all rights to square up the position before T+7 also. The logic behind this product is that as a client, your money is only 25. And if the stock correct by say 15-20%, then after that, IDBI Capital might be in a position wherein the loss will be from the pocket of IDBI Capital. So to prohibit that, at 60-70% mark to market positions, IDBI Capital RMS has the rights to square up the position. Okay. So this is the product and his detail is available on our website also. And you might ask me what all securities is allowed. For that we have a separate link, so you can go on that particular separate link and you will be able to see that. But as of now, you can trade only in A group stock of NSE in E margin. Okay. And exposure, that means that initial margin requirement will be around say 25% to 30%, roughly. That is approximate. Okay. Now coming to the same product, but those client who has MTF, that is margin trading facility, activated in their accounts. For them, this product is for T plus 90 instead of T plus 7. Okay. So suppose I am an MTF client of IDBI Capital, then in E margin, I'll get a facility to hold the stock till T plus 90. Okay. The second advantage is that my interest is also 16% per annum, which will be levied daily proportionately. So that is another advantage for those who are opting for margin trading facility. And this facility registration is free. So those who wants to opt for e-margin product, they can use this facility. So those clients who has MTF enabled, they will get T plus 90 facility instead of T plus 7, and their interest will be 16% per annum, which will be levied daily proportionately. Okay. And other risk parameters is same. Whenever your stock goes by 67, that means mark to market becomes 60-70%, then RMS can square up the position because you have a limited exposure to it. Suppose if you are buying say 100 rupees ka stock, your money is only 25. IDBI Capital is funding balance 75. So once the 20% fall is there, in that case, we will be at, our money will be at stake. So the RMS will square up the position. Okay. So you have to keep in mind this before buying into MTF. So coming to our website. So this is we cleared margin. What is margin? Sorry, margin product is not there. So we have explained you about e-margin. So margin product is not there. So we will not explain that because that is not there. Then intraday. In intraday, whatever you will buy or whatever you will sell, okay, that is going to get squared off before 310 by you, or else system will square it off. Now advantage for intraday is that here also you will get an exposure. The exposure will be based on the VAR file, that is VAR based file, which comes from exchange daily, and in that whatever percentage is written, accordingly IDBI Capital will take it for the trading. For example, suppose VAR file says to buy a Infosys 20% is the VAR margin. That means in 20 rupees, I can buy 100 rupees worth of Infosys, that is for intraday. That means before 310, client have to square up the position, or else IDBI Capital will square up the position at 310 or after 310. Whatever is the profit, whatever is the loss, that will be adjusted into your base limit. Okay. So this is the price LTP going on. This is bid price, ask price, high. What is the high for the day? What is the low for the day? Volume, how much volume has happened into a particular stock, that you can see here. Now coming to the third product, that is cover. Now what is cover order? Cover order is an intraday product. First of all, let me tell you. Okay. Now how cover order is utilized to get a higher exposure. I'll explain you with the product details. We have a cover order system. Okay. So in cover order, what will happen? As I told you in intraday, it is VAR based. That means to buy a particular stock, we have seen examples, say Infosys. Infosys VAR, suppose NSE says it is 20%. That means in 20%, I can, in 20 rupees, I can buy 100 rupees worth of Infosys for intraday. Now, if I'll buy that stock in cover, in that case, I might not require that 20% also. Now, how that is possible? I'll explain you. This is multi-leg order. That means at the time of buying only, I am going to define my stop loss. And according to my stop loss, I will get an exposure. For example, suppose I have say 100 rupees in my account and I am buying a stock with a stop loss of say 5 rupees. In that case, my maximum loss is going to be 5 rupees per unit because that is what defined by me at the time of placing order. Then my exposure can be considered accordingly. So IDBI Capital might give me an exposure up to say 15-16 times because I am losing only 5 rupees per trade. So I can buy around say might be 15-18 quantity. So what it comes? 15, not 15, but obviously you can say if my loss is 5 rupees, so in 10 rupees I can buy 2 and in 100 rupees I can buy 20. But to calculation purpose or for adjusting your brokerage and all, my system might allow you to trade up to say 15 quantity into that case. Okay. So this is the product detail mentioned here. So you have to go through this product detail in detail and then you can utilize this facility. Those who are aggressive traders and they want high leverage on particular stocks for intraday, then they can utilize this product. Normally, we don't recommend this stock for novice people because it requires huge skill to trade aggressively with a cover order because as I told you, stop loss is defined and stop loss is what is mentioned at the time of buying initially. Okay. So you should be very clear about that. So here you can place the stop loss price, that means trigger price, and it will get executed. Okay. So this is cover order. Then we have covered E-margin. So we have covered cash, that is delivery. This is intraday based on VAR margin. This is cover, where that means at the time of buying only you will put your stop loss, or at the time of shorting only you will put a stop loss, and accordingly you will get a maximum exposure. And then we have a E margin. And in E margin, I told you there are two set of clients in IDBI Capital. Those who has MTF activated, they will get T plus 90 benefit, and those who are not MTF activated, they will get T plus 7 facility. Okay. Now, few things I want to tell you here. Okay. So we have a system called now I'll close this and I'll explain you another few products so that product things will also get covered. Okay. We have something called GTDT order. Now, what is GTDT order? In GTDT order, you can place order in a system which can be kept alive till 180 days. That means suppose I am an investor and I want to buy X stock at say, suppose I want to buy a Reliance. Current price of Reliance is say 1400. I'll check immediately here so that we will add Reliance. it's trading at say 1468. Okay, but I don't want to buy now at this price, and I don't know at what day that price will come. But I want to buy, say, suppose 10 quantity at the price of say 1300. Sorry, 1300, and I'll say place GTDT order. In that case, my system will push this order automatically, or IDBI Capital will push this order automatically every day, so that the day it reaches 1300, I'll get that stock. And GTDT order, as I told you, it is valid for 180 days. So up to what day it is there. So if I am placing today is 7th May. So this order is valid till 2nd of November 2020. Like that, this order can be placed. This order can be placed for buying, as well as this order can be placed for selling. For buying, you should have this much of amount, and for selling, you should have whatever quantity you want to sell at particular price. Okay, so this is GTDT order. Now coming to the new product. One moment. This product feature we will just want to show, so you can see this product details, read it by having pause button or something, read it in detail. Okay, so this is GTDT. Then we have another product that is called Encash. And in Encash, what will happen? As I told you earlier, in India, settlement is T plus 2. That means whatever stock I will sell from my Demat account, to get the money out of it into my saving banks account, settlement is T plus 2. That means exchange will pay a broker that sells proceed on trading plus 2 working days. For example, Monday is a trading day of my sell transaction, and I have that stock in my Demat account, which is linked to my trading account of IDBI Capital. Then T is Monday, T plus 2 is Wednesday. So Wednesday evening, exchange will pay me the money, and in turn, IDBI Capital will transfer that amount into your saving banks account, link saving banks account. Okay. But if in case I want that money to get credited into my account on the same day night, in that case, I can use Encash as a product, and it is only available on BSE. Okay. So you can read it by pausing the video in detail, what is the features and all. Okay. Secondly, I want to tell you, Encash transaction charges is 1%, including brokerage, but excluding taxes. Okay. So this you have to understand before using Encash. There are two main points into it. Encash is only available on BSE. Before initiating sell transaction, you have to do that. Once you place order in different product like cash or some other product, in that case you will not able to get the Encash benefit. So whatever you are selling and you want that proceeds to be credited into your savings banks account on the same day night, in that case you have to make sure you push your order as Encash product, and it is on the BSE exchange. Okay. So this is another product which I want to tell you. So this is what products we have. Okay. I think we have done with the basics about the buying form and the products related things. Now here are some options like SIP baskets. You can create your equity SIP. Okay. Now what is equity SIP? That I'll tell you. So this product, again we will go to our product. What is equity SIP? Okay. You can read this by pausing the video once you have a time. You can pause and you can read the details. I'll explain you what is the equity SIP. It is similar to your mutual fund SIP, wherein on particular day you will decide particular stock of list which you want to buy. You can give either a quantity wise basket or a price wise basket, and on that particular day every month stock will be bought. Okay. How to place the order? This is mentioned there. Okay. Benefits you can see here. So how to place order? This is the way, or this is the uh, procedure you can follow, and you can place the order. And if you are not comfortable to do through online, mobile, or say portal, you can use our toll-free facility 1800-200-3388, wherein dealer can assist you to place your equity SIP order or mutual fund SIP order, or whatever we are seen till now. We have seen till now. The dealer can help you out without any extra cost. Whatever is your brokerage, that normal brokerage will be charged. Okay. IPO you can do from here. Mutual funds you can do from here. Portfolio, you can see your portfolio, what is the gain, what is the loss, and all. Order book, once you place the order, you can see your order book over here. Order book contains all the orders. That means whatever you have pushed, it might not get executed. That all orders also you can see in order book. And in trade book, you can only see your actual trades happens or happened rather. Whatever trade executed, that you can see from trade book. There are multiple reports available. There are statements available. Limits you can see, my fund limit or my stock limit or my demat balance I am able to see. Then we have a product called collateral also. So this collateral release and withdraw is mentioned here. But then before that, I'll take you through our product that is called collateral. Now what is collateral? Okay. I'll explain you within 2-3 minutes. You'll be able to understand. See, collateral means, suppose I am a client and I have certain stocks with me. Okay. And that stock I am ready to use as a collateral to get exposure from IDBI Capital. I don't want to put my extra money to do any intraday trading or derivatives trading like futures, and in options only sell is allowed into this product. But I'll explain you what is collateral. We will take one example. Suppose I am a client and I am having say 50 lakhs rupees Infosys in my demat account. If I am utilizing my collateral benefit, then what will happen? I can simply collateral my dematted stock within fraction of minute. Okay. And on that value, say 50 lakhs is my value. On that value, haircut is suppose 50%. Then 50% of 50 lakhs becomes 25 lakhs is my initial margin to trade. In that 25 lakhs, I can do intraday trading. I can take e-margin positions. I can do derivatives, futures, buy or sell, or I can do option selling also with this collateral margin. Collateral margin cannot be used for delivery buying, that is cash trades is not allowed. Okay? So you can read this product details whenever you have time. You can pause the video and you can see in detail how to create a collateral, that is also mentioned over here, how to trade. Okay? Now once you have collateral the stock, in that case you might ask, if I want to withdraw it, I don't want to utilize that limit and all, in that case, what will happen? You have to withdraw it by this option, which we were just discussing, collateral release or withdrawal. Okay. So this is collateral which I want to discuss with you. So messages, system messages, exchange messages, my details, I can change my password, or I can see my contact details and everything. Information, tools and all, you can just go through it. I think nothing great into it to explainable kind of thing. You can just go through it and you will find quotes, get quotes. See, quickly I want to see some companies quotes which is not in my list. So suppose I want to see the TCS. Go. So TCS best 5 buyers, best 5 sellers. I can see what is LTP and other things, lower circuit, upper circuit. So charts is also available, but charts is not that dynamic as chartist use, but you can definitely utilize it for your understanding. Buyback of the shares is also we have given here. Okay, you can push your buybacks from this. We have tied up with MarketSmith. For that, we have a different video. So MarketSmith also one of the product which you can avail. So basically, this video is to make you understand how IDBI Capital Screen works, and possibly I try to deliver what I can deliver to any new guy who just log into the account and he can see what is available on IDBI Capital along with certain product details. Okay. So that's it. So from my side, that is the thing which I want to tell you, and I hope you understand uh, a bit of it, but then you have to update your knowledge every now and then, and that will be displayed on our websites. Okay. Thank you. Bye.